Step carefully onto the moving platform, then step into the car. For your safety, remain seated throughout your journey, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your car. And please supervise your children. Stay clear of the doors which are open and high.
We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy your Grand Circle tour of Tomorrowland. While visiting this land of tomorrow. The PeopleMover is the perfect vehicle for people watching. So keep your eyes peeled. You never know what you might see. Inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World. If your future includes shopping, then you'll want to visit Star Traders, where you'll find the greatest hits from around the galaxy. Speedway, put the pedal to the metal and speed towards the checkered flag in your very own race car. Young or old, this is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about getting a speeding ticket.
The line's down there right now, Bubba. Yeah. Keeps getting bigger too. Yeah.
We're now entering one of the real wonders of our world. Space Mountain. Blast off on a high-speed outer space adventure and careen through the cosmos.
Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon.
And this is the dark part of the ride. Anything, but that's up inside Space Mountain, up where the roller coaster is. There's a lot of stars on the ceiling.
sure to when you're here for an adventure that's out of this world.
Tram's getting close.
Adventure, hop on board the Astro Orbiter. Pilot your own spacecraft as you take a spin around the planet and ascend to otherworldly heights. We're now approaching Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. Inside this rotating pier, whole families welcome you into their homes of yesterday and today, starting way back at the turn of the 20th century. First presented at the New York World's Fair, this legendary circular theater celebrates the progress that has made our lives better. It's a perfect reminder that there's always a great, big, beautiful tomorrow shining at the end of every day.
Space Rangers, this is Buzz Lightyear. Report to your Star Cruiser and join me on this daring space mission against the evil Emperor Zurg.
As an honorary Space Ranger, you'll use your own personal laser cannon to save the entire galaxy.
Buzz Lightyear.
So drop in and join Mike Wazowski and all his pals at Monsters Incorporated Laugh Floor. Share the fun.
Yeah, very good. Keep it moving. We're on a tight schedule here.
The Tomorrowland Transit Authority station. Our Grand Circle tour is coming to an end, but not to a stop, because this transportation system never stops.
Well, the rockets, oh, they got one.
Thank you for joining us at the Tomorrowland Transit Authority PeopleMover. It's been a pleasure to have you aboard. Enjoy the rest of your day and have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Who's going out?
Onto the moving platform with caution and exit by stepping away from the car. Thank you. Please keep your arms away from the doors.